All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Well, my people, this one is another one. Well, I will call this one a breaking news because I'm just coming across this video, and this man actually said a lot of things in this video. In fact, my brother, my sister, I will say this is a breaking news, like a breaking news. Because right now, Yoruba Nation declaration has taken another dimension. Well, I just come across this video and then I was listening to this man talking. This man has actually spoke at length. He said a lot of things, and no doubt about it, he wants the Yoruba Nation to be declared as soon as possible, as fast, in fact, as fast as possible. He said, why is it that up to date the Yoruba nation is not declared? That they have told us that this mega rally will be holding and the Yoruba nation will be declared before the end of 2022. He asked a lot of questions that as it stands, that it's like the leaders are scared, that they should not be scared of anything. Definitely people will die, but how many people will they kill? That it is very dangerous for this declaration to be delayed. Now, election must not hold without we getting Yoruba nation, without the declaration of Yoruba nation. He said a lot of things, and he said all the leaders should try as much as possible to talk to themselves. They have to consider the people. That a lot of innocent souls are dying on a daily basis right now. In fact, simply because the Yoruba nation is yet to be declared. As we speak right now, people are dying. A lot of atrocities are being committed on these people. Yet the only Yoruba nation that we hope on, according to what he's saying, that this set of leaders are still delaying to declare the nation. Well, if you take a look at what is going on, you will understand that with the way this man has spoken, fine, every other person will think in that direction. Though he said a lot of things, but it's not everything I have to dish out. In fact, he told yesterday he talked about the fact that highest, if they have 1,000 bullets and we are in millions, they cannot kill us. The 1,000 bullets will finish and they can't kill everybody. So this time around, according to what he said, let the leaders allow us storm the streets. That we should storm the streets and declare our nation. That as it stands right now, there is no two ways about it. People, if people want to die, people will definitely still die. Just that it's a matter of time. Everybody is not going to die at the same time. But if we keep saying we are scared, we don't want to declare the Yoruba nation, then we might not get it. That it is very dangerous for us to be quiet and be waiting for the right time. That according to him, in fact, that man's name, he calls his name Ijaya. I know a lot of people would have met this man or heard his voice one time or the other. I've heard his voice so many times, but on this one, he actually spoke his mind. Well, majority of people were of the opinion that yes, he's on point and not that. But one thing I just like everybody to understand right now is if you people are saying, oh, let us declare Yoruba nation, and there's some set of leaders are like, we should hold on. I think they know what they have seen before they will say hold on. They have seen some one thing or the other. And if you even want to take a look at this, if we are talking about the fact that this set of people are scared so that they will not be killed and all that, I think this set of people, if they are even talking about not being scared, they are not the one that are supposed to be scared simply because they are not even in Nigeria. I think majority of them are not in Nigeria as we speak right now. So if this set of people are thinking in the direction of every other Yoruba person not to be out, I think they are doing a great job. So they are doing their own job, but the truth of the matter is they have made us understand that before the end of 2022, we shall get our nation. Meanwhile, this man, his name is Ijaya, he said, if the Yoruba leaders, Yoruba nation agitators leader, if they will not be able to tell us, or they will not be able to, gather us for the mega rally before 31st of October, then the following month they should give us dates. I think it's on point on that one. But meanwhile, the Yoruba Nation agitators have said that we don't need to disclose anything to them. I know definitely the time will come and everybody will be aware. And it was of the opinion that they said they want to be sending the information through WhatsApp and all that. That how many people would that reach? That 3 days, according to the man, he said his name is Ijaya. He said 3 days notification will not be enough because a lot of people might not hear it. But when you give us like a week to 2 weeks notification, then we will be prepared. We'll prepare ourselves that we should not be scared at all. We should not be scared at all. According to him, he spoke in Yoruba. I quote, "Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ sí wọn lójú." Tell us what we want to hear according to what he said, that the Yoruba leaders should just go straight to the point instead of beating around the bush, according to him. Well, he says we are going to fight for ourselves. Let us fall into the street, or else innocent souls will keep dying if the declaration of Yoruba nation is still delaying. I think this is another strong one. Well, I was just laughing all through while this man was chanting. He was not happy. So painful and so touching. He said Yoruba nation must be declared, either they like it or not, and it should be declared as fast as possible. And they're talking about the mega rally. He has said that if the mega rally does not hold on the 31st of October, then they should give us a date that it will be holding. That as far as this Yoruba nation movement is concerned, the Yoruba people are tired of what they are seeing and facing on a daily basis, that we can no longer continue in this. Well, my people, this one is another one reaching us. I think a lot of people must have heard this audio. But, well, for the benefit of those who do not understand Yoruba, I just try to paraphrase what Mr. Ijaya said. And then he said all this angrily, that what are the leaders waiting for? That this is the time to make it snappy, declare Yoruba nation before 2023 election. Well, my people, and then exactly what it is onto this. I know a lot of people be like, the man is so funny. Well, the truth of the matter is something needs to be done anyway, and then the people can't wait any longer. Yoruba nation not going back, and exactly what it is. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.